In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Crypto.com DeFi wallet account. By the end, you'll have a secure, non-custodial wallet set up and ready to use with your keys and your crypto fully under your control. First, download the Crypto.com DeFi Wallet app from your device's official app store. Search carefully and make sure you're getting the legitimate app by checking the publisher and recent reviews. Avoid third-party download links. Once it's installed, open it and let it update to the latest version if prompted. When the app launches, you'll be asked to choose how you want to set up your wallet. You can create a new wallet or import an existing one with a recovery phrase. If you're brand new, choose to create a new wallet. This generates a fresh, unique set of keys that only you control. Next, the app will show you a recovery phrase. This is the master key to your wallet, and it's the only way to restore access if you lose your phone or forget your password. Write the words down on paper in the correct order and store them offline in a safe place. Do not screenshot or store them in cloud notes. Many people make 2 copies and keep them in separate secure locations. The app may ask you to confirm a few words to make sure you save them correctly. Take your time and double check. Now set a secure password for the app. This protects access on your device and is required for key actions. Choose a long, unique password that you don't use anywhere else, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. If you use a reputable password manager, this is a great time to add it there as well. For extra protection, enable biometric security if your phone supports it. Fingerprint or face unlock adds a fast layer of security, helping prevent unauthorized access if someone gets hold of your device. You can always turn this on or off later in settings. With the wallet created, add the cryptocurrencies you want to manage. In the app, you can search for assets and toggle them on so they appear in your main view. Pay attention to networks. Some assets exist on multiple chains, so select the version that matches how you plan to receive or send funds. You're ready to start using your wallet. Tap Receive to view your address or QR code and share it only with trusted senders. Tap Send to transfer out, always verifying the network and address before confirming. Explore swaps and decentralized apps within the wallet interface, and consider starting with a small test transaction to get comfortable. Keep your recovery phrase safe, keep your app updated, and you'll have a solid foundation for managing your crypto with confidence.